My wife told me something this morning. She said, babe, I want to go see my big mommy today. I said, what time? She said, probably towards in the afternoon time. I said, okay, no problem. Go and see your big mommy. Not knowing that my wife went to go see her ex-boyfriend who just came back from the country. The guy has not been in Nigeria for a very long time. I know that before. When we're dating, she told me that the guy is no more in the country. Close to 4 years now, she told me that the guy is no more in the country. I'm talking about her ex-boyfriend. And she said they have nothing to do with each other. That's what she told me. That they have nothing to do with each other. So, somebody sends me some things on WhatsApp. Okay, I don't want to reply that person before. I was like, the picture was popping. Let me see this. And Jesus. When I clicked on that DM, I saw that it was my wife with the same S. She said she has nothing to do with. And before all these things happen, if I'm in the sitting room and I want to enter the bedroom, my wife will be, she'll be on call. But before I just enter, she will run and cut the call. If she's in the kitchen, same thing. She will run and end the call whenever she sees me. I'm like, babe, are you hiding anything from me? No, talk to me. Are you hiding anything from me? She was like, no. She's done talking. Now, I never knew that it was this guy. It was this guy that she has been talking to. It was this guy. The same guy that you said. Oh, is it because of the guy just came back from the country? No, say it. I want to know. Is it because of the guy just came back from the country? Women. Okay, you lied to me that you want to go see your big mommy. Why you went to go see your ex-boyfriend? Abi? Okay, good. Guys, I'm going to call that big mommy right now. Let me ask her, where is Mary? Let me see what she's going to say. This is very... Oh my God. This is very, very annoying, to be honest. I'm just trying to be calm. I'm not going to touch her. God forbid, I've never laid my hands on a woman before. Hello, big mommy.
Hello, yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, big mommy. How you doing?
Fine, thank God. How you doing?
We're cool, big mommy. Big mommy, I want to ask, did my wife come to your place? Is she around? Is she in your place?
Oh, is that David?
Yeah.
Yes, she's here. She's here. She came here today.
Okay, I'm trying to reach her. I don't know. Her number is not going through. Can you please pass her the phone? I want to tell her one or two things. I want to tell her something, please.
Okay. But I think she's in the kitchen. So I'll call you back and give her the phone.
Okay, she's in the kitchen, right?
Yeah, she's cooking. She's in the kitchen.
Okay, she's cooking.
So I'll call you back when she comes inside.
Okay, now, thank you very much, ma. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. So how is everything?
Thank God, everything is going well. Everything is going fine.
Alright. To God be the glory.
Yeah.
Alright now. So I'll call you when she comes in now. She's in the kitchen, she's cooking.
Okay, ma. Thank you very much. Yeah, God bless you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Amen.
Yeah.
Alright now. Bye-bye.
Bye. Chai! Are you guys seeing what I mean? Are you guys seeing what I'm... What somebody's mother is saying? A woman that is up to 60 years lying to me when I know I caught my wife directly in this mall here. And I called her and I called the big mommy right now. The big mommy is telling me that my wife is in her house. The big mommy is lying to me now that my wife is in her house. It is very obvious that something is involved. And it's very obvious that something is inside. Hey! Hey! Chai! God! Can you... Hey! God! Chineke biko mere mere. Jesus Christ. Ah, it's what this shit now. What pick that? Headache won't finish me. Why would a woman of 60 years be lying to me? All your families are liars. Bunch of liars. Yoruba demon. Somebody I just. And you guys said I should be calm. I should be calm. Strange things have been happening for a very long time, and you said I should be calm. I should be calm. That's what I said. I should be calm. Do you know what I'm passing through? Somebody that I'm paying in a month roughly 500,000 naira. I got her a car. I did not post it online. I know why I did not post it online. When I bought her a car, I make sure that I make this girl to be comfortable. Then tell me, what does she want? Okay, fine, it's true. I have never traveled abroad before. But what did that guy want to give you now? Come off it. What did that guy want to give you? That they talk. Tell me, what did the guy want to give you? Somebody that I'm seeing. She said she wants to go and see her big mommy. I'm seeing her. And I called the big mommy. The big mommy was lying to me. Probably she called the big mommy and said, my husband might call you. Tell him that I am going to this person's place. Now, I want to know that my wife is not lying for me. So my wife now is not twin. She will be in the big mommy's house and she will be in a is it a bar or a restaurant? She's not twin. No, she's not a witch. She can fly. This whole thing is driving me crazy. I swear, I don't mean I see her like I don't want to create a mess in that place. That's why I just hold myself and calm down and come into my car back. But I know I'm going to spend my last penny to get to the root of all these things. I swear, nothing will stop me. For this one, somebody I pay a bright price. I know how much I spent. I'm not stingy. I'm not greedy. If I can help people in the streets, come off. Where would I help my family? If I can help people in the streets, tell me, where would I help my family? Why would I help my family? Why can't I just make my family? Why would I make my wife to be okay? I swear, I thought all these things was a joke. I thought it was a joke. Why? What does she want? What does she want that I'm not doing? What? Women. Why? You are lying to me. Even when I want to even do our own video shoot, I invite girls. You'll be at home. You'll see them. After they are done, they will go. Even I want to go anywhere, I will carry you. I don't lie. I don't lie to my wife. I don't lie because I married somebody that is so much in love. Why would I lie to her? She practically know everything about me, from my ATM pin, everything about me, my nest of kids, everything. She knows everything about my wealth. She knows. So that is woman that I love. I've given my life to her. Then why would she be lying to me? She want to frustrate me. She want to turn me to a he-goat. She want to turn me to a dog. I will not be somebody that is not shouting and be screaming. I'm just trying to get myself right now. By Jesus. Hi! Nah. Chai. This is very too much. It's too much. It's too much. I can't take this. I told myself that I'm not going to post this video. I'm going to make a video of her. I'm going to ask her, where did you go to on this day? That's what I told myself. And I want see lie where she go lie give me. And she go so dey shock if I show her this video. Because I'm serious. I'm being calm, to be honest. I know say something like this might happen. You understand? Even people warn me, but I never listen. So I go show her this video. She go dey shocked because she no believe say person go video ram, send and give me very fast. And I came there. She did not even know. So I'll show her this video. Let me see if she will lie for me or not.